Hey everyone, we're going to go ahead and do a little experiment here, and we're going to try to create a cloud in a jar. So the first thing that you need is you need a little bit of hot water. So I boiled up some water here, and kids, if you're going to be doing this at home, you may need a parent or a guardian to help you out with that part. We're going to go ahead and pour some hot water in here. Now the second part is going to be optional. We're going to go ahead and use some food coloring just to color up our water here. So I'm just going to use a little bit of food coloring. And we'll stir that up. All right. So now that we're done with that, we can go ahead and just cap it up for a little bit. And I'm just going to grab some ice and I'm going to put it on top of our cap. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put in some dust particles inside our jar. Now to do that, you can use a hairspray or some kind of aerosol spray. So I'm going to do that really quickly. And you got to do this quick. Once you spray inside the jar, you're going to cap it up and you can start to see the clouds forming inside. So here we can see the cloud is starting to form. Now we're going to let it sit there for about a minute or so and let that cloud build up. And again, you can kind of see the cloud kind of swirling around inside. Now again, you could do all of these things at home. All you need is some hot water. Food coloring is optional. You need a lid, and you'll go ahead and put some ice on that lid and some kind of aerosol can like hairspray, and you just spray it inside. All right, so we can see the cloud being built up. Now I'm going to go ahead and release the cloud, and you can see the cloud floating away. And there's our cloud. All right, so that's how you create a cloud in a jar. I hope you liked it. All right, good luck, enjoy, and have fun.